Hey guys, welcome back to Nappy Missy101. And of course, again, I want to give you something that I have never tried before, and that is faux locks, guys. Yes, I am going to be trying faux locks for the first time with you. So what not better way to do this for the first time? Stay tuned, guys. So today we are going to be using some edge control, guys. This is my KeraCare edge control. This is my KeraCare edge control. Of course, you guys know I love my edge control, KeraCare, because it just smells bomb diggity. All right, and then we're also going to be using some elastic bands. So yes, I'm doing Faux Locs elastic band method. Yeah, because it looked pretty simple when I was watching someone's tutorial. I don't even remember whose tutorial I was watching, but I've watched loads of them, and so this is why I want to try this. So we're also going to be using, I'm using this old Marley here, because I have loads of old hair just sitting around. I never really trash it, so I've used this once. So I'm going to be using this to add length to my hair, so that when I apply the base of the locks, you know, it just works out a bit easier. And then of course I have loads of this hair that I haven't used yet, so I'm just using hair that I already have in my closet. So yeah, I have loads of this Marley hair that I'm going to be using as the base. So, and I think I want to make these faux locks pretty chunky, not too small, and they won't be that neat, so you won't see me parting. I'm just pulling out sections of hair and doing it as such. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so of course I've applied my water already and my oil. So my hair is damp. I applied my water first, and then sealed it with some oils, a mixture of oils that I have. So right now I'm just going to go through and I'll start here. Oh my goodness, guys, look. I'm actually loving this look, guys. Like, see how messy it is? I'm actually liking it like this. Like, it looks more natural to me. I just love it. Love it. And I'm almost finished. It's almost been 3 hours, so I'm going pretty quick. I just can't believe how good this looks on me. I know I'm tooting my own horn, but what can I say? What can I say? I just love it, guys. I can't wait till I'm finished though. Alright guys, down to my last 3. The elastic broke, so I'm putting another 2. I don't put them really tight either, guys. This hurt is so light. I can't even hardly feel anything on me. The hurt is really light. So guys, this front one actually looks so neat. But I don't want it to be neat. I want mine to look really messy. So I'm taking some hair that I'm not using really, and I'm just taking a little piece like this. And what I do is I just wrap it around, and then it creates like a mess of a look. You can wrap it tight. See? If you just wrap it tight, it just starts to make it look messy. Tight, loose some places. See? So now it's becoming a bit messy. And this is how I want it. So guys, that's my hair complete, and I absolutely love it. I do not plan on wearing this hairdo out. No, I do not. Yeah, I don't plan on wearing it out, but I think if I did, I kind of could, I guess, if I wanted to. It does look really cute. I love it. Love it. I think I want that just a little tighter, so I'm gonna grab some hair laying around, just some fluff hanging around like from oil hair. Take that off like that. Do this. And I'm just going to do it from up here. So that's that. I think this hairdo came out really nice. Like, I'm really pleased with my results. It was my first time. I think the next time I do it, I would know what to do if I do want a little neater or whatever. But right now, I really am liking this messy look. Like, I think the messy look looks really cute. I don't think I will wear it out. So I'll show you what I plan on doing with it. Like, I don't plan on wearing it out. So yeah. So this, it just feels a tad loose there. So I'm just getting some really thin hair. And just wrapping it around so that it tightens a bit. And it creates that messy look I like. So, you know, it doesn't matter to me really, because the look I'm going for is messy. So yeah, that's it for me. But what I might do is, I think I want to tie mine up a bit like this. Have some out in the back, on the sides. Like, that's what I want to do to mine. I don't even know what I want to do, but all I know is, guys, like, I am really pleased with the outcome. Like, I couldn't be happier with this outcome. I'm just so happy. Like, really happy, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like it messy, if you prefer it neat. I am really loving this messy look. Really. Like, honestly, I don't even know what to say because I am just so impressed. I'm definitely impressed. I really do love it. Okay, not meant for over there, so I'll keep it over this side. I think I might pin it like this. I'm not sure. But yeah. I'm really happy with my outcome. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. For this hairdo, I only used 2.5 packets. 2.5 packets of Marley here, okay? That's all I used. So, yeah, I mean, try it out, guys. Like, really try it out. I'm really loving it. Really loving it. Yeah. See ya!